Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Anyone can draw a sun with a circle and a few rays, but today we're making ours extra cool and full of fun details. So grab your pencils and let's doodle. First, grab any circular object you have at home. I'll be using this cap right here. Now, draw a large circle in the middle of your page. This circle will help us place the whole drawing nicely on the paper. Next, use a smaller round object to draw another circle right in the middle. This smaller circle will become the sun's face and body. Now, use another small circle shape to draw the sunglasses lenses. I'm using a circle stencil. Place one circle here and another one right beside it. Time to make our sunshine glow. First, I will make 4 points around the sun, just like the main hours on a clock: 12, 6, 3, and 9. Now, let's draw triangle-shaped rays at these points. That's great! Next, divide the spaces in between and add more triangle rays all around the sun. To make our sun extra special, let's draw wavy flame-like rays between the triangles. These curvy rays make the sun look more magical, energetic, and fun. About adding even more cool details. Let's draw little drop-shaped glow marks between some of the rays. You can make some big and some small. These tiny details help our sunshine sparkle even more. Now, let's finish the sunglasses frame. Follow along carefully as I connect the lenses and shape the frame around them like this. Time to give our sun a happy expression. Draw 2 little eyebrows above the sunglasses. Now add a big smiley mouth with teeth and a tongue to make the sun look cheerful and friendly. Finally, I'm going to draw a tiny hand holding the edge of the sunglasses, like the sun is saying,
"I'm super cool."
You can totally skip this step if you want, but I think it makes the sun look extra adorable. What do you think, my friends? And here we go! Our special sunshine sketch is all done. Time to use some color magic to bring this cool sun to life. Let's have fun! For this drawing, we will use fiery colors like bright yellow, orange, and red. Let me show you step by step how I color and blend the rays. Start with a light yellow marker and color most of the ray. Next, use a darker yellow and blend it about halfway up the ray. Now, add a light orange near the base and gently blend it into the yellow. I'm using alcohol markers for smooth blending. After that, use a darker orange at the very bottom and blend again into the lighter orange. Look at that beautiful fiery gradients. Now, I'll continue coloring the rest of the rays the same way all around the sun. Let's color one more ray together again so you can easily follow the blending steps. Light yellow, darker yellow, light orange, dark orange, and blend everything together smoothly. Now let's color the little drop-shaped glow details using darker orange and red shades with the same blending technique. Look at those fiery rays! Next comes the main body of the sun. I'll be using a bright yellow here. Having fun coloring with us? Parents can also check out our ABC coloring book on Amazon for more cute drawings. I've added a little shading around the edges to give it a warm glowing effect as well. Now let's color the sunglasses lenses. Here, I'm using dark gray color, almost like black. Now let's use red for the sunglasses frame. And inside the mouth. Pink for the tongue. And light brown for the eyebrows. To make the sunglasses look shiny, I'm adding tiny white reflections using a white marker. Wow! This sun is getting super stylish! I'll also add a little soft gray shading on the hand. That tiny hand makes the sun look so funny! And for one final fun touch, I'm drawing twirly glowing shapes on the rays with a white gel pen. Voila! Our sunshine is ready to light up the whole page. Fiery and looking super cool, isn't it?
Yep, I'm super cool.
I hope you had lots of fun drawing and coloring with us today. Don't forget to check out our other awesome drawing adventures here at Doodle Garden. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.